Hello, good morning, hello. Today is Thursday, March the 5th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. I'm going to move my screen a little bit. Okay. It's still moving, and it's moving down, but it's not in a super strong way, so I might be able to get a little bit of trading in today. I don't know. We shall see. My son's already called me from school saying he doesn't feel good, so we'll see how this Thursday goes. All right, let's check this out. Let's look at the daily chart. Pulled right back into the area and it's pushing down still. All right, I guess we'll see what happens here. It does have a look of what happens when it can pull back up. Getting very, very weak here. If these start to roll inside into the upside, we'll see it pulling back up. But right now, this is pulled into the area, is pushing down. 28.50 was our last low, so I guess we shall see what happens. Ooh, it's gonna stop me out right away, huh? Yeah. Try that one again. Yep, just a little quick on that draw there. That's okay. Let's see if it'll come back and grab me. Put me right below there. Come up towards this area. Ooh, love it. Break even on that one. Yeah. Well, there's that one. Give this a shot. Yeah. Trying to make this happen because I'm talking to my son. Lean with it, rock with it, let it go, let it go. Watch those MACDs, don't ignore them. Oh, there we go. Giving these tiny little bars right here. It's going to stop this one out, but I'm going to be prepared for the next one. Moved my break even too quick, didn't I? Didn't make it in again. There we go. Well, at least I don't have 3 in a row. I got one more in me and then I'm done. This is really still trying to pull up. a pain in the butt that was, right? So this is how we have to trade. We have to be a lot more careful, and we have to pay mega attention. Pulls back. It's not going to take me for that much, y'all. Got me in there. Yeah. Here we go, y'all. I like the way this is rolling to the upside here. This is still rolling out. I have had a very tough time making this happen, but you know what? That's just part of the game. Reaching up here, it's not falling through. We want to pay attention. Take that one out. I'm going to set this last one at break even. Let's see what happened. I'm out. I'm taking it. Reversal bar, starting to pull back a little bit. This could keep going, but Lord have mercy, that was a work today. Oh, you want to see what it looks like when Lindsay's got to work. So 24 divided by 2 is 12 trades, 14.50. I never took two losers in a row. I had two losers, a break even, two losers, and a win, two losers. And you see, some of these losers got me for a lot bigger. That was tough. So normally I wouldn't love to have that. Let's go ahead and get these marked up, and then I'm going to go pick my son up from school. How about them apples? Let's see if I can do it on here. Oh, that looks like a mess. Okay. That's the first round. I'm not going to lie to you and say that was easy, because that was hard. So I don't know if you heard what I said yesterday, but I do anticipate this to pull back up a pretty decent amount. Let's just go to the daily chart really quick and look at that, and then we're going to wrap things up. 31.34 is a good area for it to pull back to, considering that is the EMA. These EMAs are still wide and spread apart. We've had a huge drop below them, but they have not moved much because we're pulling back into it. All right, I'm done. I'm done for the day. That's going to wrap it up. I have nothing wise to say today except you know, everything's not going to work out the way you plan every time. You have to let go of the frustration and just breathe and let it go and do what's coming right. I gotta go to Costco, or I'm gonna be out of dog food soon. So we're gonna do that. Go pick up the boy. I will not be trading tomorrow. Meeting. I've got a couple meetings tomorrow that are very important. I know I won't be trading next week on Tuesday either, because I'm gonna do a hypnotherapy on Tuesday. I'm excited about it. I've read a lot of reviews on this guy and they've been really great. So part of what I want to do is get over hesitation, keep my mind in the right direction. Because I do have a tendency sometimes to have my mind in the right direction, and then you think, oh my gosh, I'm doing too good. What's wrong? I'm waiting for the next thing to drop. And I don't love living that way. And I work every day to try and get my mindset out of that, but it doesn't always get there. I'm just going to have a little extra help. See what happens with it. If it works, awesome. If not, I mean, I guess y'all will see the difference in me, whatever happens. But that's going to be it. I'm going to wrap it up. I hope everybody has a fabulous Thursday. I am not coming back tomorrow, I don't think. And as always, guys, you know, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.